Hello, my name is Julia Cortez. I'm going to tell about tech tips. Okay, let's start. As educator, technology is transforming our work. More specific, the way we support students in the classroom. As schools bring more technology to their classroom. Teachers too will strive to put more technology in the hands of their students. To make this clear, we must know about Web 2.0 tools, which are online software programs that allow users to do a series of different things. They can be used to teach curricular content, store data, create, edit videos, edit photos, collaborate, and much more. Okay? Now, we think the Web 2.0 will find several tools, and now I'm going to tell you one of them their tips. Okay? Blogs. They have the potential to develop reading and writing skills. So in particular, I advise my colleagues to use this tool that is quite functional in the classroom. The teacher must select the appropriate material and encourage the use of blogs in class to answer questions. The blogs facilitate interaction and collaboration. And that is, the teacher as an excellent tool for his student to improve day by day in conjunction with other people. The great advantage of using blogs is in the process of teaching English are obvious. Therefore, the teacher and student should be aware of this and make the most of this tool. Now I'm going to talk about web quotes. Okay, the technology in this entirely, which had a boom in recent years, has generated interest. Sure, the population and particularly in the students, so I advise this be used in favor of teaching EFL. This model provides tools of students to research and build their own knowledge by searching the internet. In the use of web quests, the teacher must configure the tasks pertinent to the needs of the student, that is, it serves as facilitator. To use web quests, you must be very careful when selecting the information. It is recommended to organize master a search engine and take notes of the most relevant information. Do not deviate in the search and be precise. Now I'm going to talk about Wiki. This tool favors collaborative work. It is recommended that roles be established as we do in the collaborative forum, so we have a better organized of the learning. It is also important to be in constant communication with the work group. Interaction is vital. This tool allows you this tool allows you to create or modify content. You can do it whenever you want quickly. In general, technology has been intensive use of the internet and the creation of wireless technologies and devices capable of connecting to the world to the network. Content is no longer unidirectional and allow all users to create, share, and consume content. Technology is an important part of our lives. Our lives now. All the tools that the internet offers are essential nowadays. The learning and teaching process is not an exception. Students need technology to study, read, interact, search for information, communicate, etc. Teachers, on the other hand, also need technology to keep in touch with the evolution of society and give the students the best of themselves. That's why the web itself is important. It has become our reality, which we cannot forget. Okay, now I'm going to tell some of 10 tips that David Pope explained about technology. Okay, when we are the web and you want to scroll down, we usually use the mouse, but we lost time there. Simple by pressing the space key, we can go down and press the shift key. Go back up. Okay, when we fill out a forum, we can save time by using tab to jump from square to square. When the text is very small, we can enlarge it by pressing the keys Ctrl and plus. I as many times as necessary. And to convert the smallest text, press Ctrl plus. I forward by less. When you want to call a person, when you want to call a person you have already called before. Just click on the call button and the last time phone number dials you. When you want to select a word, just click on it. There are just some technical tips exposed by David Bogue. Okay, as conclusion, the future teachers that we are training in this beautiful work, we must be in permanent study and training in different aspects, and even more in the technology that has come to transform the way we educate. It is not easy, but at the end of the road, it will have been worth it, because the different resources and tools that technology use make the teaching and learning process really significant. That's all. Thank you very much. Bye bye.